Hi guys, welcome back. This is our fifth episode. In this episode, we're going to see on how the next process would get kick-started after the analysis has been done. In the last video, we showed you how the entire analysis is being done and how it is going ahead and completed. Now it's just me and Nisarg who are the collaborators, so I will have to go ahead and click on analysis and mention that it's being completed, okay, because I'm the owner. Now once this is being done, okay, I'm going to save this. So the analysis have been completed. Once that is done, okay, we need to now look at building a solution design document. In order to do that, I will have to go ahead and change the status, okay, so that we can have next step initiated. Now this is going to be on track because that's where it's going to start. All right. But if you want to look at other statuses like cancel, on hold, at risk, and delay, this should be used as per the circumstances that you are currently facing in your organization. Now, solution design document has to be created. So there are a lot of questions in the head how to do it. Don't you worry, just need to go to. So for now, I'm just going ahead and discarding because I want to show it to you. Okay, you need to go into documentation, and in documentation, you would get the template to go ahead and build your own solution design document. This is how the document would look like. Okay, it's all readily available. It's just that you need to fill in the details as per your process requirement. Okay, quite a detailed document. Have a look at this. So let's quickly move on. All right, and we're back into this one, and we're putting solution design on track and saving it. So I would like to now take this ahead with Nisarg, wherein we will have Nisarg build in the solution design document. It's going to take a day to build it. So Nisarg would be available with us in the next video where he would go ahead and showcase the solution designing. Till then, cheers and take care.